2, 3, go.
Hi guys, it's Miss Stacy from KidCity and we're in my home and it's snack time here. So today we're going to be making some hot dog cars. You guys ready to make hot dog cars?
Yeah.
Okay, so my littles are going to help us out. Today we're going to need condiments. That's anything you want to put on your hot dog. Some hot dog weenies. If you don't have hot dog weenies, that's okay. You can use bologna or turkey or anything you have, like anything at all. And then I want you to get all of the round things in your house that you can eat. Okay, so don't go find any wheels because you can't use real wheels, but we can use fake wheels. So today we have bananas, we've got grapes and tomatoes and blueberries, we've got some marshmallows and cucumbers and Cheerios, all round things. And then you're gonna need some bread, and you're gonna need toothpicks and ketchup, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna start by putting our hot dog weenies inside of our bread, okay?
Okay.
So here's a hot dog weenie for you. You got yours?
Yeah.
Good job, Bella. Hot dog weenie for you, and a hot dog weenie inside of my bun. Now, I'm gonna use a piece of bread to show you what it'll look like if you don't have a hot dog weenie. Next, we're gonna use our toothpicks to hold our weenie together. Look, you need a toothpick? Yeah. Okay, here we
I'm
go.
going to put mine here.
Good job.
Not too much.
Not too much.
Because then you can't do it really well.
Exactly. Can you put one right here on this side?
Fine.
Yeah.
I'm going to put this one here.
Good job. You did it.
Yeah.
Okay. One more. Put one up front. Okay, guys.
I did it.
So after you put your 4 toothpicks in, we're going to start adding round things. Did you get yours in?
Yeah.
Maya, how about you? Did you get yours in? We're working on it. Okay, let's do that together.
We're working on it.
Help you out there. So these are going to hold our wheels in place. Okay?
Yeah.
Look at that. You're not done? Okay, so let's start by picking a round thing. What big round thing do you think you're going to use? I think I'm going to use cucumbers.
I think I'm going to use bananas.
Bananas are good ones. Okay, so I'm going to give you 4 bananas.
Yay.
That's how many wheels you'll need. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maya, what are you thinking you'll use? Those cucumbers. Cucumbers.
Put them on?
Are you going straight for the marshmallows?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so go ahead and put your round things, guys, onto your toothpicks.
2. Uh-oh. Got 3.
You got it? I think you can do it. Your nanas? I can help you with nanas. Good job. Okay.
And then we're just going to place them on?
Yeah, you're just going to put them on. Okay? Yeah. Now, you can add another round thing. So I have these cucumbers. I think I'm going to add blueberries.
Mommy, I can't add it on.
Can I help you? Okay.
Uh-oh. What about the others?
There we go. We got this.
Because that one's too small.
No, I think he's perfect. I don't think
Yeah,
he's
I
too
think
small. There you go.
He's little.
Okay, so do you want to pick something else round? I'm going to use blueberries. What are you going to use, Bella?
Marshmallow.
Marshmallows.
4
Yum.
marshmallows.
Okay.
That's the one I'll be needing.
Mm-hmm.
No. 4 marshmallows.
You're going to use marshmallows too?
No.
Yeah, that's going to be yummy. Okay, so let's put your marshmallows on your bananas. Ready?
Whoa.
Okay, go ahead. Put them right here.
Working so well.
Are they working really well?
My wheels are
Good
moving.
job. Okay, guys, I want you to comment down below what round things you're going to use for your hot dog car.
Don't forget.
Or your turkey car, or your meatball car, whatever car you're going to make. Good job, bud. Okay, so now, I think that our cars need drivers, right? So I'm going to use a tomato as my driver. You want to use a grape? Okay, awesome. You did it. Okay, we're going to put a tomato for you. You got a lot of sweet things going on
I'm going to use a
there.
blueberry for my race car.
Okay, and then last but not least, you get to pick your favorite topping to go on your car. Okay, do you want mayo? Yeah.
I'm going to get this person.
Ooh, perfect.
Right here.
I'm going to use mustard. Are you going to use ketchup?
Yeah, I'm going to use ketchup.
Awesome.
I need somebody to help me open it.
I can help you. Can you give me 1 second?
Yeah.
Awesome. There we go. Do you want some on yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you need on yours? There's a lot of ketchup on that.
Yeah.
You need some on this one? Alrighty.
Is that a little driver?
Yeah, you have a little driver. Okay, guys, so look, we've made these super cute little race cars. They're so yummy. Don't use all sweet things. You want them to be a little bit healthy. But I want to see what you guys make at home. So put those in the comments down below, okay? We'll see you guys next time. Bye!